Hi everybody and welcome back to Gardens and Crystals. Oh my God, I was just out doing a little shopping, normal shopping, and then I saw at the florist, just on the other side of the road, that they had a 50% sale on all of their plants and pots. So I went raiding the rack. Now, my God, I'm so excited. This is happening so much at the moment. Right, I'm just going to show you the few things I have. Let's get started. So, the first plant I have here in my little collection is this. Oh, I don't want to drop it. Oh, happy plant day again. So, look at this beauty. Oh, get this packaging off. And there's some kind of tag, but that is nothing to do with what the plant is. And look at this beauty. Oh, and again, a few different plants in here. So at some point, if I wish to, I can chop it up and put it into different pots. So wonderful. I was very happy about that one. The next one I have is this little cutie here. Oh, all this paper you get every time to protect them. It's important, but yeah. Look at this lovely little thing. It's got red and bright green and dark green and lovely red stems. First of all, look at the stems. Beautiful. And look at this. Some kind of begonia. Please write the name down for me below so I know. But it's beautiful and thick, and there are a lot of plants in there as well. So again, I can split this up if I want to. Oh God, my indoor terrace garden is coming on just like this. Right, the next plant we have is one that I've been wanting for a little bit. They're really popular here in Sweden at the moment. Look at this, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Look at all the holes in the leaves. Oh, I love it. It's absolutely wonderful. Now look at this. Now isn't that beautiful? Look at that. I'm expecting it to grow into some kind of beautiful little tree type plant. And look at the leaves. Please write the Latin name and the common name for this plant for me. The stems are spotted dark green and light green, and the leaves of this beautiful light green foliage. It kind of looks like a fern or something like that. Absolutely beautiful. Can't wait to see what this does. That's going to go there. And then the last plant I got, last one, going out shopping, and I come home with 5 plants on a 50% sale. You can't get better than that. Oh! This is a plant that's really good for cleaning the air. Everybody, well, a lot of people know about this plant. And look, so many young plants on it. It's unbelievable. I mean, there are loads and loads of plants in this one pot. Look at that beautiful plant. Now, I grew up calling this, or remembering it being called, a spider plant. And yeah, you can see why. Look at all the baby spiders on the mother spider plant. This cleanses the air so well. It's a beautiful variegated leaf. Oh, it's so bright and it's just beautiful. You can have it as a hanging plant, or you can just have it on the side. You can propagate all these young plants that are growing out of the stems. Isn't that lovely? I got all this on 50%. I'm so excited. I love these plants. So that was it for this time. Oh, that was just a little quick video. And I will see you again in another video soon. Thank you for watching Gardens and Crystals. Please remember to subscribe and let's go on this journey together. Thank you very much. Goodbye.